G'day, it's Chris from down under, Queensland, Australia. I've been a tiler for 35 years and this is the project we're doing, or I'm doing. It's I've been on this now for, this is my 6th day, and it's pretty much finished. Today's Friday, so I'll grout it Monday. This is all pretty wet up the hall and that sort of thing, so it's no good trying to grout it today. I'm onto the splashback now. I've resheeted this back wall. I'm starting with a half tile there. It'll carry on into the corner, and then I carry on from there, and whatever my cut is in that internal corner, that's what it is. It'll look fantastic. I'll just pop this on my head and lean in. There's a bit to learn. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give us a thumbs up. And we're home and hose. I better not use that, it's got a chipped corner. Yeah, so it's a little bit hard to keep talking while I'm concentrating. It's all good. It's going to be a light grey grout, or grey grout. It'll look pretty cool. This floor is going to be done in what's called travertine grout colour. The plumber comes in on Wednesday to fit the toilet. I'm doing a splashback for the washing machine coming up off the floor. I've got to repair that a bit yet, but I'll be doing that on Monday. I'll get this splashback out of the road. But yeah, it's all come together nice. It's tile over tile, as I said in my other video. But yeah, pretty cool. Alright, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll switch the camera on once I get down a little bit further. See ya, bye.